About
Number 4 ba kayo?
Fourth largest
ba?
province. Including Bacolod siguro, baka mga nasa close to 2 million kami. Basta napag-usapan nga ito. I think yung basic agenda kanina was BBL. So kanina napag-usapan, I think the Visayan Bloc members agreed that in principle we are okay with the BBL. There are certain provisions that we feel should not be included, such as opt-in. Okay. So yun yung mga isa sa mga pinag-iisipan namin that we will not support if there is such a provision.
Yung opt-in.
May opt-in. There were a few others. I think total namin we're looking at about 11 provisions.
So yung black run. Against din kayo sa black run, sir.
Black
Black run.
grant? Pag-usapan ba namin kanina? I think more of I think yung opt-in provision, yun ang sinasabi namin should be deleted. The others are subject to refinement and amendments. For example, I think when we talk of barter trade, kailangan i-define natin what goods are allowed to be in that trade, and kasi parang ang nagiging definition natin ng barter is really yung mga small quantities at saka yung mga certain goods that can be done on a barter trading system. Pero pag isang barko na pumasok ng ganyan, hindi na barter.
Ilan kayo, sir, kanina? Ilan po yung Visayan Bloc? Ilang
35.
35.
Ang attendance.
Sir, anong definitive statement natin kay Mar? Magkapatid ba kayo? Nag-away ba kayo?